Good Monday afternoon to you. Lord of mercy, it's Dan. I want to welcome y'all to my home in the sticks. Hope everybody's having a sure enough good Monday. Dan, where you been? Lord of mercy, y'all, it has been raining unrelentlessly here in East Central Mississippi. It's just tons and tons and tons of rain and a big sloppy muddy driveway here at my home in the sticks. And the power goes out quite often too. I wanted to wish everybody, all my brothers and sisters that have served, are serving, or who have served in the military, a belated Veterans Day. I wanted to get a video out on Veterans Day, but it was just impossible. The power outages have been frequent here in East Central Mississippi due to the rain. And we got our first hard frost the other day. And when I say hard frost, I mean ice on the vehicle. Need to turn your vehicle on, put your defrosters on to get it off type ice. What I wanted to share with y'all today is, due to all of this rain that we've been getting, I wanted to show you the brassicas and show you how they're growing on, because the rain and the cold has made them go crazy. So give me a second. We finna walk over yonder, and that's what we finna do. All right, you and y'all, here we go. I'm finna show you. Look at them true blue collards. Look at the size of that leaf. Let's see. That's my hand. They just going crazy. They love this dang cold weather. And that's, I think I've lost a few cauliflower. And I've lost a few broccoli due to the high winds, but I still have a few that are doing really well. Cabbage head's starting to form. Lord of mercy, that makes me happy as all get out. Ooh, look at her. So, cabbage is looking really good. I just can't get over these dang. And these broccoli are just getting after it. I haven't seen anything forming as of yet, but the plants are looking really good. My cauliflower didn't really do all that well this year due to the winds. Still have one right there. But Lord of mercy, this broccoli is just banging. It's just growing. And of course, there's my wall pole beans. Still growing. I did a picking on them a couple of days back in the rain. But these guys are really, they're still putting on pole beans. Even though the temperatures are going, there's a vortex bean. Even though the temperatures are dropping, these pole beans are still doing pretty good. Here's my rutabagas. I'm right proud of them. Look at that. That is just unbelievable. They growing on pretty good. And I wouldn't have thought that a rutabaga would grow so well in this cold weather, or the cooler weather, but they're growing pretty good. It's it's just unbelievable what a whole bunch of rain and a bunch of cool weather does for these cool weather brassicas. They're really liking it. Let's see. Let's walk over to the north side of the 40 and show you what's going on over yonder. Mud and rain. Well, I had a few more pop up. I got down in this bed earlier this morning when it was just sprinkling, and I did a head count, and I have 25 cloves that popped the ground. So that's 25 out of 32, and that's not really bad. Hey Cash, what are you doing? Are you guarding the garlic? Carrot's still doing good. Got to get those peppers off. I've been saying that. But every time I go to harvest some peppers or do some work in the garden, it just comes a flood. You could tell that it's been raining because you see the difference in this and that. It's just the rain has been coming through and just washing all of the wood chips over. So it's just been unbelievable, y'all. Oops, I felt the raindrop hit me. So I wanted to check in with everybody, just to let you know what's going on with Dan over here at the home in the sticks. It's just been raining, just nothing but rain. Have more rain in store this evening and possibly tomorrow. It's supposed to actually rain the whole week. and we're supposed to get our first sure enough freeze by the end of the week. They are forecasting anywhere from 25 to 28 degrees by the end of the week. So I got to do some winterizing around here. Hopefully it won't last long, because I have probably 800 gallons of rainwater that I need to get rid of. So I'm going to end up having to dump my rain catchment systems just to prepare for the cold weather. Surely don't want that to freeze. So again, I hope everybody's having a sure enough good Monday and a good start to the week. And if you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up to help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home and Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over and give me a look, because I'm always doing stuff, really. And with that being said, you know it's coming. Dan Ruff is sure enough always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody, even the rain. Don't let it dull your shine. And we will see you and y'all in the next video.